Hello, just pausing the video so I can explain what's going on. I'm using a concrete diamond chainsaw to cut square holes in limestone. This saw is made by ICS and has a 12-inch blade which is water cooled. It's pretty easy to use but a little heavy. Unlike a traditional wood chainsaw, there is no kickback and most cutting is done plunging into the stone. So let's continue with the video so you can see how it works, and I'll try to add more commentary as necessary. Okay, here I've got the plunge cut started. The saw throttle is kept wide open. I'm trying to keep a constant even pressure. It takes about a minute 15 seconds to get through 12 inches of stone. One of the harder things to do, especially when working with a natural uneven surface, is to get two cuts perpendicular to each other. You can see here I've overcut where the two cuts meet. This means more time with the grinding cup wheel to even things out. You might have better luck by making the second cut perpendicular to the first, instead of what I did here, which was to begin with two parallel vertical cuts, followed by two horizontal cuts. The cut is done now, and I'm just removing the cut pieces. Now I'm using a diamond cup wheel to smooth out the overcuts. The chain is expensive, costing from $300 to $400 each. I probably went through $50 to $100 worth of chain on this stone. Here is how it looks after evening up the cuts with the grinder cup wheel. And that's how I took this stone and made it something a little different for the garden. Thanks.